Hi guys, I'm Beth and I made it to the top 15 of NYX Face Awards 2018. I'm really thankful and grateful for all of your support, love, and for all of you who have voted for me. Thank you so much, and don't forget to continue to support me. So for this video, it's gonna be the unboxing of our prize for the top 15. And it's another beautiful big box. Alright, and I'm so excited to do a full face of makeup using only NYX products. So we got a bunch of skincare products from Garnier, and these are the sheet mask. This is the Serum Mask Hydra Bomb Super Hydrating Replumping Tissue Mask. The next product that we got from Garnier is this Sakura White Pinkish Radiance Ultimate Serum, and this one is a foam, Sakura White Pinkish Radiance Foam, and I think we got this in our last unboxing, so we got it again. This is Garnier Sakura White Pinkish Radiance Lotion. For the hair, we got a couple of things. This is the Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo, and then we got a Redken All Soft Mega Recovery Tissue Mask Cap, a Lazada voucher for 50 ringgit to shop for NYX products. Yay! And then we got this cute little bag which is in a lip shape. It's so cute, and we can put our makeup in here or our duit raya. Alright, so let's dive into the NYX cosmetics. This one in London. So inside, mirror, and then it has 4 eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, 1 blusher, and 1 lipstick. And we have our micro contour duo pencil. It's a highlighter, and we got a concealer from NYX, full coverage concealer, which is greenish in color. Lashes from NYX, a beautiful brush, and then we got a strictly vinyl eyeliner. It's like this. And then we got another soft matte metallic lip cream. So this is a metallic one. It looks like the mauvey brownish color. Eyeliner. This one. Strictly vinyl lip gloss. Alright. Got a beautiful turquoise shimmer eye pencil. We got this beautiful glitter Glee. So I'm going to do a full face with all the NYX products that we got from this unboxing and the previous unboxing. So I'm going to start with the foundation that we got. So I got this 2 foundation. Give it a good shake. I've tried this before and it has really good coverage. And you don't need a lot actually. You might actually not need to powder this. Just a bit more on my forehead. Here. And here, so I'm just blending it and just making sure that the color is even. Look at that coverage, and it feels really light on the skin. So we have the micro contour duo pencil, and this is good for the nose. So easy. And there's a deeper tone on the other side. You want to go a little bit darker and create that gradient. Just a little bit. And just blend it out. Ooh, that's really nice. Can you see? And then blending my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out, these colors. So I'm gonna go with the highlight first, and maybe a bit of this, and then this color. So these colors go really well with the lip colors that we got. This color right here. So just now I used this color, and then now I'm gonna use this color. Put this on my lid here up to my socket. Kind of brown on my eyes. I like that. And it's so easy. You can travel with this palette. It has everything you need. Of course, if you want a better payoff, you can use a smaller, denser brush. I'm using a big fluffy brush so I get a really diffuse eyeshadow. And then it has a mirror, so you can just use the mirror. Inner corner, I'm going to use this highlight color for the inner corner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the deeper purple color here. And I'm just blending out the color. Now I'm going to use the blusher from this palette as well. So I'm going to go with the pink color. Drop the blush right here. Ooh, I'm going to try this highlight palette and I'm going to apply the highlight. Eyeliner. So got this eyeliner. So I'm going to do a wing liner, belt tip. It's not too bad. Vinyl eyeliner. Blue metallic eyeliner. Apply this on my lips. Then I'm gonna top it off with a bit of this lip gloss. It's actually a deep brown color. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I look so vampy right now. I love it. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows. So if you really don't have any brow products, you can use this to contour and to do your brows with. It's really pigmented. Blend it out. And I'm gonna try on the lashes as well. And what I do with lashes like this that are a little bit more on the dramatic side is I curl it with my lash curler. There you go. Alright, I'm done. This is the finished look. And now I'm gonna add something a bit more creative. So I'm gonna use the NYX eyeliner right here. For the outer part of the line, I'm going to use a white foundation. For the inside, we're going to blend black. Alright guys, that's the end of my unboxing video. I hope you guys like this look, and it's really super easy to achieve. It just takes a little bit of detailing, a little bit of time, but you can do this. Thank you to everyone who has supported me, and I'm now in the top 15 and I'm eyeing for the top 6 positions. And also thank you to NYX Cosmetics and all of the sponsors for NYX Face Awards 2018. And I'll see you in the next video, and do watch my Drop That Gorgeous video, which is coming soon, very soon. So thank you guys, and see you. Bye.